Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to plant a plant from the pot to the ground. This is spearmint. I think we got it at Walmart. It's a plant. We want to go ahead and plant this pot in the ground right here. Where do you want it planted at, Monica?
I'm going to plant it right here up against the wall.
Okay.
So,
Just go ahead and come in.
try to dig up some of these weeds here.
Okay. Let me just go ahead and make this a little faster. All right, my friends, so it's cleared up a little bit, and here we have the 3 spearmint. What do we do now, Monica?
Okay. Well, this soil is super amazing, so I don't need to add soil. But if you have really bad soil, like just straight sand, you might want to dig a hole and put some like potting soil or something in there just to give it a head start. But you can see I got earthworms here, a couple earthworms, and this soil is good, so I'm good. So you basically want to dig a hole so the plant is like at the level of ground is how I do it. So you just kind of dig a hole that you think about is as deep as it's going to need to be. And if you really want to, you can put the pot in there, kind of test it out. The dirt's going to spread out a little bit, so it can be a little bit shallower than the exact amount. But all right, so basically you kind of grab the plant so you don't crush it when you turn it upside down, and you want to support the dirt and try to keep it all like one clump. And if you squeeze the pot like this around, you're going to loosen up the dirt a little bit, so when you tip it, it'll come out pretty easy. So you kind of just support the plant, but then let the dirt fall into your hand without crushing the plant. So you know you're not like squishing the plant down, you're just holding the edge of the dirt, and you got that whole clump of dirt like that. Now I did water this before, so the dirt is like really wet, so it sticks together good. And then you just gently place that in there and cover it with some dirt.
Now, do you need to water it right now?
Yes, and then you always want to thoroughly water it right when you plant it to remove the oxygen pockets that might be down there by the roots. And you can probably cover the bottom here a little bit.
I think if you snap your fingers, water will just appear. Okay. Monica.
Wow. Okay, there it is. It's not the best way to do it. It's kind of a little much, but you have a little sprayer and you can do a little gentler of a, I don't know where my sprayer went.
We had a sprayer and who knows what happened.
We have a lot of kids, so things just disappear. Anyways, that's, I'm going to put more water later. But basically you just want to make sure you water it, and that is it.
So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please turn on notifications. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you have any tips or anything, and you think it would help other people, please put it in the comments, and you might pin it if it's a really good comment or funny or something. So love y'all, and bye.